Key concepts in machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, deep learning. Supervised learning: the model is trained on labeled data, meaning each input comes with an associated output. Example: predicting stock prices based on historical data. Unsupervised learning: the model is trained on unlabeled data and the system tries to learn the patterns and the structure from the data. Example: grouping customers into segments based on purchasing behavior. Reinforcement learning: the model learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback. Example: training a robot to navigate a maze. Deep learning: it is a subset of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural networks known as deep neural networks to simulate the complex decision-making processes of the human brain.